The AI revolution is here, and entrepreneurs who embrace these tools will dominate their markets. ChatGPT has transformed content creation. Write blog posts, emails, and marketing copy in minutes instead of hours. MidJourney creates professional graphics and designs without needing a designer on staff. Jasper AI specializes in conversion-focused marketing copy that actually sells your products. Notion AI combines project management with artificial intelligence for seamless team collaboration. Zapier connects all your apps and automates workflows, saving you countless hours every week. These tools aren't just nice to have, they're essential for staying competitive in today's fast-paced business world. Start implementing AI in your business today, and watch your productivity soar.